Apple really does have this skill of making the whole world focus on its product launches, right? We got the iPhone, we got the Mac, we got the iPad, and now we have come to the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. The whole world is observing Apple. How did they do it? Today we are not talking about their marketing strategy, yeah? Today we'll be taking a look at the AirPods Pro 2nd gen. And is it better compared to the 1st gen? And more importantly, is the price tag worth its features and sound? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the AirPods Pro. Woo! This is the 2nd generation of the AirPods Pro, which is released, I think it was about 3 years ago. So back then, you know, when they first released the AirPods and everything like that, it was this industry, right? The true wireless industry. It was quite dead to begin with. I don't think it was even worth a thing back then. Yeah, but then they came along and they revolutionized the entire scene to the point where literally everybody is copying them now, and you have some country literally copy down to the exact same shape and size and whatever. But anyway, this is basically the Pro version. So they used to be the best lah, but now you got the AirPods Max. But I find that to be a different category because AirPods Max is headphone. This is wireless earbuds, two different things. Right, so they belong to the top end of the wireless earbuds range. You know, you got your regular AirPods, and then you have the AirPods Pro. This is the 2nd gen. They have improved on their ANC, their transparency, stuff. We'll go through more about that later. But in a nutshell, this is a true wireless and improved upon sound and design. You'll realize that the design isn't really much different compared to the 1st gen, which is fine. I mean, it's not ugly to begin with, so it's okay. New to the version 2, okay, I'm going to call it V2. Okay, we have Bluetooth 5.3, as usual, because it's the latest and greatest. Okay, but more importantly, we have new things, right? We have out of the box, we have XS size earbuds. So for smaller people with smaller ear canals, this will be good for them. We have the case itself has a built-in speaker. So if let's say you lose your case, you can actually use the speaker to if you use the Find Mine feature lah. Okay, there's a loop built into the case itself, so you can actually use like lanyards and stuff like that. Okay, you have the new H2 chip. That is the one that is responsible for all the goodness and the greatness of the sounds. Okay, the U1 tracking chip is now inside the case as well, so you can actually, it acts as a AirTag, if it's if that's what I mean. Yeah, if we were to simplify things like that. And last but not least, the stems are now touch sensitive, so you can actually control the volume by swiping up down. Okay, more about that in a while. Let's take a look at the box. So at the front is a very, very, very simple, straightforward, no words, nothing. I think it speaks for itself lah. So good. Okay, Apple logo, and AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Why is this sticker? I don't know. But let's peel. I don't know whether I'm doing it correctly. I have never opened it yet. So I'm just gonna follow the instructions. Let's do it. I see. It looks a bit like iPhone packaging, I think. 4 items. You have instruction manuals, guides, which I will take a look in a while. This is the earbuds itself. The buds, I mean the tip. Alright, you can have XS. S by default is M, and then large. 4 in total. Alright, so they did say lift up the flap.
Oh, I see.
Hey, I never used AirPods before, okay, so this is really my first time using. Alright, yep, as mentioned, S, and L, because M is already by default on there. Put this in a while. Okay, you got a standard cable, USB-C to Lightning, because this case is Lightning, not USB-C yet. Thank you. Okay, this is some documentation. AirPods Pro, how to connect, you know, how to charge, things like that. Oh yeah, the case is wireless. It can do wireless charging. So if you got like the key, I don't know how you pronounce key. Yeah. If you have that, then it will actually be compatible with the case. You can charge it wirelessly. Okay, let's take a look at the case now. So it's a bit bigger than I thought. Yeah, but I've been told this is exactly the same size. But it does feel like solid. It doesn't feel like cheap and flimsy. That there's no flex to it. Okay, so this is your lightning port. I believe this is a microphone. I don't know. I think so. This is the speaker grill. So as mentioned, if you lost your case, you can actually use this to ding 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 to have the sound, so you can actually find where it is. Very, very useful. This is the loop. So if you want to put a lanyard to it or a keychain, it's good. And yeah, that's about it. Let's open it up. But before that, you know, we would really love it. We really appreciate it if you guys could follow us, like our videos, and subscribe to us, because we are just growing, and we would love and encourage it if you guys could support us and help us. So don't forget to like this video and like all the things, you know, subscribe, you know, what is your favorite stuff like that, and let us know so we can actually make better products, we can make better videos for you guys to enjoy. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, opening the case. Ooh, see, there's a green light. Ooh. Oh, there's sound. Okay. Here. Woo! I could get used to this. I am purposely not using my iPhone as a second camera. Woo! You see? Immediately they tell you, woo, connect. So taking a look at this, should I press connect? Yeah, let's do it. Let's press connect. So you guys can see in real time what's going on. Media control. So yeah, since it's here, you know, let me share with you guys how to actually navigate using the AirPods Pro. So adjust the volume by swiping up and down the stem. Okay, press once to play and pause, press twice to skip to the next track, press 3 times to go back to the last track, and press and hold to toggle between transparency mode and ANC. ANC stands for I don't know. Yeah, basically ANC is a feature that blocks active noise cancellation. Yeah, it blocks the outside noise and everything. The good thing about this second gen is they actually improved on the transparency and ANC. So the transparency sounds more lifelike. The ANC on the other hand will actually block out even more outside noise. Great. Okay, and don't forget the spatial audio, which is already around for a while. Spatial audio will be great if you're listening to movies, because you can actually hear the train, that kind of thing. But I hear people say if you use that for music, it's a bit weird lah. It sounds like the speaker is like the person singing is like at the top of the mountain. So to each his own, you know, I guess. So it looks like, oh, that's it. Okay. You know what? Before I even talk more about it, right? Let's try. So what is this? Personalized spatial audio. Use your iPhone to scan your ear geometry for improved spatial audio. So I guess this is a new feature as well. So you need to understand, this product, although groundbreaking in engineering, is a default shape, and everybody's ear canal is different. So there's only so much engineering they can do before they run into physics related problem. So what this does is it actually scans when you wear, right? It will map out the ear canal shape. I don't know how. Damn cool, like sound wave on that. Yeah, and then they will customize the EQ and whatever lah, to make sure that the seal is good and everything. So let's try. I know you guys cannot feel, I'm the one feeling, but you can imagine lah, huh? Yeah, okay, get started. What to do? You can use your iPhone camera to personalize spatial audio for the shape of your ears. Just like that. Okay, I thought they need to wear, you know, and then they will do it, but apparently it's all done by camera. But okay, you have such a wait, that's it. Okay, cool. Yeah, before I actually try on, right, I'm just blown away by the technology and everything. Before we actually try on, you know, there are a couple more new things lah. So, in these AirPods Pros, right, they are rated for up to 6 hours of music playback. Okay, and with the case to charge, so 6 hours if you just like one shot, but with the case charging everything, it can last up to 30 hours. 30 hours is crazy. You might think, okay lah, it's just slightly more than a day lah. Yeah, but think about it. Are you really gonna wear this for 30 hours straight? No. 6 hours even? No. Do you know that you're supposed to, after like every 1 hour or something, you're supposed to rest for like 15 minutes? Yeah, so please, if you're hearing me for the first time, please don't wear this for 6 hours straight. Please don't. 1 hour is the limit. Yeah, so be kind to your ears, let them rest okay. It is IPX4, both the earbud and the case. X4 meaning it will, first digit is dust, the second digit is water, so it will not get a lot of dust protection very well, but in terms of water, it will withstand your rain. Just don't submerge it too much, or just don't spray a jet at it. Yeah, but in raining, it's fine, more than fine. Alright, let's try listen. This is medium ear tip, so just to show you guys. Let me just take out just to see. Oh, did I spoil it? Oh, no. Whew, scare me. Yeah, I'm not taking it out again. Scare me. Pop, the whole thing does. Yeah. Okay, so when you put on the earbud, right, there is a tunum sound in the earbud lah, just to give a feedback. Let's try the second one. I think ANC is, oh shit, it's damn quiet. It's damn quiet. Wait. How to turn off and on the ANC?
2,000 years later.
Okay, I'm back, and okay, right now you can see my iPhone, right? Noise cancellation is on, and I don't even hear myself very well. It's like freaking blocking everything out. Okay, so let me try changing to transparency, right? So basically what you do, because I was quite confused, like where do you touch the stem? Which part of the stem do you touch? So you actually touch, right? You know that there's the touch sensitive portion here, right? You actually touch the top of the stem, like you touch it here. That's where it will activate lah, whether you want to do the transparency mode or the volume or whatever lah, the press one double tap. Yeah, so it's not really super intuitive. You need to spend a bit of time to get used to it, but let me try. Okay, so like you see, I put both sides on noise cancellation, immediately turns on. So let me press and hold. Okay, now transparency mode is on. Whew, I can hear myself better now. Yeah. Okay, so when you press, right, you will hear a tick. It's very subtle, but it's that tick. Yeah, so that means that they actually registered the press. So it works on the left side as well. Let's try. Yeah. Yeah, so that's about that for the controls of it lah. Quite cool, I would say. Yeah. So all in all, the AirPods Pro version 2 is a solid upgrade over the original AirPods. And I feel that, I don't know, it's good, it's pretty good when listening to first impressions with music and everything. It's pretty good. I turn off spatial audio because I'm watching. I don't know whether there's an option to on spatial audio only for videos and off spatial audio when listening to music. I'm not sure if there's like a setting. If not, then by default I'm just gonna turn it off. If not, that's about it for this video. So hope you guys have enjoyed it. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester. That's all for today. See you guys.